What's up, guys? In today's video I have for you an unboxing of the rock case that will be for your iPhone 8, iPhone 7 Plus, okay? So without further ado, let us start the video. The product name is Royce Ultra Slim High Bird. If I can focus that. ShockProof case cover bumper for the iPhone 7, iPhone 8 Plus, gunmetal sapphire. So let me just put that down for the moment. Let's start the unboxing. Cut this part, lift the lid like this. Put that to the side. There is the case. What do we have here? Nothing else. All this can go to the side too. Take that out. There is the case. Okay, so I had this for my iPhone 5S. As you can see, the shape differs very much. I don't have the iPhone 5S anymore. I sold that. I got the iPhone 8 Plus. Here is the star of the show. Goes into the case like this. A perfect fit. Okay. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next unboxing. Thanks for now.